And a good hello to you, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and yeah, this is my little box. Guess where I'm going? To a Scottish Rite meeting. That's right, because I'm here at the Scottish Rite Center here in Tampa, Florida. This big, beautiful place here. Looking forward to it. My guess is that where you see the this area here, this thing here, it's a whole other section, and that's where they have their drop downs for their stage, because Scottish Rite tends to do degrees 5 through 32. And they have big drop downs for each of the scenes, so it's really cool. If you've never been to Scottish Rite, you should really check it out. And also, most of Scottish Rites, they'll be glad to rent out their space in case you want to do that. But come along with us inside. We'll take you through a little bit of what this facility is all about, and maybe, just maybe, you'll see something maybe can improve your Scottish Rite. And there's actually a Blue Lodge that meets here, I believe, Holyrood Lodge. But anyway, we're gonna go inside and take a look around. So come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. Here they've got a really nice grandfather clock. Looks like it's sealed up so it doesn't move. I've probably got some history to that. This is a big open foyer area they have here. I really like the extra space. And they've got some really cool oil paintings here on the side. King Solomon, I guess. Nice. It's huge. It's probably 8 feet tall and about 10 feet wide. It's cool. It's just some neat little corner pieces here. Looks like that's where they sell some stuff. There's another one there. So this is the cafeteria room, I guess you could call it, dining room. It's a big open room. Nice big facility. Kitchen that direction. We got the AC broken down in the other room, so that we're going to go in there and sit down there anyway for a short meeting. And just across from the kitchen, down this hallway here, actually across our street is on the other side of the hallway is a nice little conference room. So you can put a bunch of people in here. Actually, they could use 2 tables in here, couldn't they? But it's a decent sized room. I like it. You can see a little better when I do that angle. Always good to have an extra room than not enough, that's for sure. So if you come out of the big room, which is the main entry room, there's actually, if you go to the right, this is where they have their gathering room before you go into the lodge. And I say lodge because there's a lodge that meets here. In fact, there may be one over there too. I don't know for sure. But they definitely have one here. Nice lodge room. I guess this would be Holyrood Lodge. Got a nice facility here. I like it. Got all the red hats up there. That's awesome. Looks like they got white hats around here. My guess is this may be where they have their Scottish Rite meeting too. And by the looks of the swords and this scroll, I would say yes. Maybe they have the Scottish Rite here. But normally I would see Scottish Rite on the altar here. So this may be their Scottish Rite auditorium. But there's a larger auditorium I'm going to show you in just a minute. Alright, so the bulk of their meeting is over, and this is the larger auditorium here that they have. Yes, they rent this out. Actually, they have sold this building. And they're supposed to move out in January. So this is going to be like a documentary almost to this. In fact, I'm going to take you up on stage and let you see one of the drop downs maybe. Let's get over there. Nice big room. So I am up on stage, and as you can see, nice seating though, isn't it? And you could do plays or all kinds of stuff up inside this room. I wanted to show you some of these drop downs where this larger part of the building goes. This is like old theater type stuff, and they're really cool. Everything's really ornate. I only know that because, although it's my first time ever seeing this, because that's how all Scottish Rites are. They'll have something like this if they have not gone digital, one of the two. And some of these are shorter, as you can see here. These are a little shorter. They're not as wide this way. And this one is longer, so it kind of gives you a 3-dimensional. So they'll drop one of these down, then they'll drop these over here down, and gives you more of a 3-dimensional look as you're looking at the drop downs. Looks like they've got a nice big screen here. They probably do a movie or something. They may project it from the back. And then there's a I know the It's not very bright back here, is it? I'm getting it brighter, I swear. Let's see. Let me change my setting. Well, it won't let me get this light brighter, but you can see this is actually an altar here, Scottish Rite altar. It shows the 33rd degree KCCH on that side there. But it's a nice big auditorium room. So far, they haven't gotten a place where they're going to go next, because they just sold this one here and they're waiting for the cash to finalize, and they're going to put money down on a new place. So I'll probably be back to do a video of their new location. This hallway here takes you down to the cafeteria there. You can see it's a really nice facility. There's always some work that needs to be done, but overall it's nice. Most Scottish Rites, you wear wear your hat. In this case, my hat is supposed to be squared. That's better. But if you ever get a chance and you're in the area and you want to check out the Scottish Rite here in Tampa, I'm sure they're welcome like they did me. We had meatloaf and mashed potatoes and green beans and gravy and salad. It was great. Good meal. It's like $10, so it's a real good price. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe. It's time to get back out living. Cool life. Masonic edition.